The secret to using the law of attraction for manifestation is the idea that we can attract and manifest our desired outcomes by focusing our thoughts and energy on what we want. In this video, we're going to talk about the secret to using the law of attraction for manifestation. This secret helps you to manifest love, more money, better health, or really anything you want into your life. Let's get started. The law of attraction states that like attracts like, and that we can attract and manifest our desires by focusing our thoughts and emotions on what we want to experience in our lives. Here are some steps to create your reality through your thoughts and feelings using the law of attraction. 1. Start by setting a clear intention for what you want to manifest in your life. Your intention should be specific, positive, and focused on what you want, rather than what you don't want. Here are 3 incredible examples for better health, more money, and attracting love. 1. Health. If you want to improve your health and well-being, set a clear intention by focusing on positive outcomes. Instead of saying I want to lose weight, try setting a clear intention such as I intend to be healthy and fit. Visualize yourself at your desired weight, feeling confident and full of energy. Believe that this intention is already yours and take inspired action towards it, such as eating a healthy diet and exercising regularly. 2. Money. If you want to improve your career and finances, set a clear intention by focusing on abundance and prosperity. Instead of saying I want to make more money, try setting a clear intention such as I intend to have a successful and fulfilling career. Visualize yourself in your dream job, doing work that you love and earning a comfortable income. Believe that this intention is already yours and take inspired action towards it, such as improving your skills and networking with like-minded individuals. 3. Love. If you want to improve your relationships, set a clear intention by focusing on love and harmony. Instead of saying I want to find a partner, try setting a clear intention such as I intend to attract a loving and supportive relationship. Visualize yourself in a happy and fulfilling relationship, surrounded by love and companionship. Believe that this intention is already yours and take inspired action towards it, such as joining social groups or online dating sites. Setting a clear intention using the law of attraction involves focusing on positive outcomes, visualizing and feeling your desired outcome, taking inspired action, and believing that your intention is already yours. By setting a clear intention, you can attract and manifest what you want into your life. 2. Close your eyes and visualize the outcome you want to manifest. Use all your senses to create a vivid mental image of what it would be like to have already achieved your desire. Feel the emotions associated with your manifestation and allow yourself to experience them fully. Here are 3 powerful examples of how it would be done for better health, more money, and attracting love. 1. Health. If you want to improve your health and well-being, visualize and feel the desired outcome by imagining yourself in perfect health. Close your eyes and imagine yourself feeling strong and healthy, with boundless energy and vitality. See yourself engaging in physical activities that you enjoy, such as running, hiking, or practicing yoga. Feel the emotions associated with being healthy and vibrant, such as joy, gratitude, and confidence. 2. Money. If you want to improve your career and finances, visualize and feel the desired outcome by imagining yourself in your dream job or financial situation. Close your eyes and imagine yourself in a successful career or business, earning the amount of money you want, doing work that you love. See yourself enjoying financial abundance and security, with plenty of money to live the life of your dreams. Feel the emotions associated with financial prosperity, such as abundance, confidence, and freedom. 3. Love. If you want to attract love, or improve your relationships, visualize and feel the desired outcome by imagining yourself in a happy and fulfilling relationship. 3. Close your eyes and imagine yourself with your ideal partner, enjoying each other's company and building a strong and loving bond. 3. See yourself surrounded by love and companionship, with supportive and caring people in your life. 3. Feel the emotions associated with love and connection, such as joy, appreciation, and gratitude. When visualizing and feeling the desired outcome, it's important to use all your senses to create a vivid mental image of what you want to manifest. Use your imagination to create a detailed and realistic scenario, and immerse yourself in the experience. Feel the emotions associated with your desire as if it has already happened, and believe that it is already yours. By doing so, you can attract and manifest your desired outcome using the law of attraction. If you're enjoying this video so far, be sure to press the like button to let us know. Also, be sure to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. 3. It's important to believe that your desire is already yours, even if it hasn't manifested in the physical world yet. This belief helps you to align your thoughts and emotions with your desire, which attracts it into your reality. Here are 3 examples of how you can do this. 1. Affirmations. Use positive affirmations to reinforce your belief that your desired outcome is already yours. Repeat affirmations such as I am worthy of love and a fulfilling relationship. I am successful and abundant, or I am healthy and vibrant. Say them out loud or write them down, and repeat them daily to reprogram your subconscious mind and reinforce your belief that your desire is already yours. 2. Visualization. Use visualization to imagine that your desired outcome has already manifested in your life. Visualize yourself already having achieved your goal and experience the emotions associated with it. This helps to create a sense of belief that your desire has already come true. Visualization also sends a powerful message to the universe that you are ready and willing to receive what you desire. 3. Gratitude. Practice gratitude by being thankful for what you have in your life, as well as for the things that you want to manifest. When you are grateful for what you have, you attract more abundance into your life. Focus on the positive aspects of your life and express gratitude for them daily. This helps to cultivate a sense of belief that your desired outcome is already yours, and that more good things are on the way. By using these techniques, you can cultivate a strong sense of belief that your desired outcome is already yours. This helps to align your energy with the universe, and attract what you want into your life using the law of attraction. 4. Take inspired action towards your manifestation. Follow your intuition and take the necessary steps that feel right to you. Be open to opportunities that come your way, and trust that the universe is conspiring to help you manifest your desires. Here are 3 things you can do. 1. Follow your intuition. Listen to your inner guidance and take inspired action when you feel guided to do so. Trust your instincts and follow your heart, even if it seems like a small step. Your intuition will lead you towards the right path and help you manifest your desires. 2. Set clear goals. Set clear and specific goals that align with your desires. Write them down and break them down into actionable steps. Take action towards your goals every day, even if it's just a small step. This will help to keep you focused and motivated towards manifesting your desires. 3. Practice visualization and affirmations. Visualize and affirm yourself already having achieved your goals. This helps to create a sense of belief that your desire has already come true. This positive energy helps to attract more opportunities and inspired actions that will help you manifest your desires. By taking inspired action, you are showing the universe that you are ready and willing to receive your desires. You are aligning your energy with the universe and co-creating your reality. By following your intuition, setting clear goals, and practicing visualization and affirmations, you are taking inspired action towards manifesting your desires using the law of attraction. 5. Express gratitude for what you already have in your life, as well as for the manifestation that you are attracting. Gratitude helps you to maintain a positive mindset, which is essential for the law of attraction to work. Here are 3 ways to practice gratitude. 1. Gratitude journal. Start a gratitude journal and write down 3 things you are grateful for every day. This helps to focus your attention on the positive aspects of your life, which attracts more positivity and abundance. Expressing gratitude also sends a message to the universe that you appreciate what you have, and you are ready for more. 2. Gratitude meditation. Practice a gratitude meditation by focusing on the things you are grateful for in your life. Close your eyes and visualize the things you are thankful for, and express gratitude for them. This helps to create a positive energy that attracts more abundance and positivity into your life. 3. Gratitude letter. Write a gratitude letter to someone who has had a positive impact on your life. Express gratitude for their presence in your life and the things they have done for you. This helps to cultivate a positive energy and attracts more positivity and abundance into your life. By practicing gratitude, you are creating a positive energy that attracts more abundance and positivity into your life. You are also showing the universe that you appreciate what you have, and you are ready for more. By keeping a gratitude journal, practicing a gratitude meditation, or writing a gratitude letter, you are cultivating a grateful mindset that helps you manifest your desires using the law of attraction. Overall, the secret to using the law of attraction for manifestation is to focus your thoughts, feelings, and actions on what you want to attract into your life, rather than what you don't want. By doing so, you can create the life you desire and deserve. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.